All right, I have this really sweet Dolly movable cart thing from NEEWER. I've been wanting this kind of thing for a while. It's definitely going to level up how I present my products and reviews and things. It did take just a little bit of assembly, not a whole lot, but it came in 3 pieces like this. So you have the base, which you attach this mount to, and this is a ball mount, so this joint can be positioned however you like. And to this joint, you can attach like a mirrorless camera, DSLR, that kind of thing, or you can attach this mount for a phone, and of course position that however you like. So this base actually can tilt, and that'll change the trajectory of the cart as it moves. So you can see there a little arrow saying what degrees it's moving. So set to 0, of course, that's going to move horizontally like that, but then it can move up to 45 degrees in either direction. So it can go in a pretty tight circle like that, see that? So you can do some really creative filming techniques with this. We're going to stick my mic over here as the subject. So first of all, of course, you can just do the steady horizontal shot. But then adjusting this angle, you could also do some really creative things going around your subject. And of course, you can tie a string around this and actually pull it from a different location if you want to do it that way. But yeah, it's a pretty cool thing. Really glad to have gotten this, and I'm definitely going to be using this in videos in the future. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission, and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.